Hello friends, in the series of C programming language, the next topic we learn that the variable in a C language. Variable is a user-defined name given to memory location where actual data is stored. व्हेरिएबल म्हणजे काय तर एक युजर डिफाईन नेम असेल की जे मेमरी लोकेशनला दिलेलं असेल आणि ज्या मेमरी लोकेशनला ॲक्च्युअल डेटा काय झाला स्टोअर झालेला असेल त्या ठिकाणी जे नाव दिलं जातं त्याला व्हेरिएबल म्हटलं जाते. इट्स व्हॅल्यू कॅन बी चेंज्ड अँड इट कॅन बी रियुज्ड मेनी टाइम्स. व्हेरिएबलमध्ये व्हेरी म्हणजे काय चेंज होणार आहे, तर व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू चेंज होऊ शकते आणि हे मल्टिपल टाइम्सला रियूज पण केलं जाऊ शकतं. It is a way to represent memory location through symbols so that it can easily identify. Syntax to declare the variable: data type, variable list. What is data type? This topic we learn in next lecture. Example: int a. A is a variable name which is type of integer. B is a variable which is type of float, and so on. See on. Then there are different rules for defining variables. First, a variable can have alphabets, digits, and underscores. When you declare a variable, you follow these rules. Second rule is a variable name can start with alphabet and underscore only. It cannot start with a digit. Means what? The name of the variable cannot start with digit. It is only started with alphabet or underscore. Then no white space allowed within the variable name. And last rule is the variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword, for example int, float, etc. This variable नाव जे असेल ते तुम्ही ॲज अ कीवर्ड म्हणून यूज करू शकत नाहीये किंवा कुठलाही कीवर्ड तुम्ही ॲज अ व्हेरिएबल म्हणून यूज करू शकत नाहीत. तर दीज आर दी डिफरंट रूल्स ऑफ फॉर डिफाइनिंग व्हेरिएबल्स. Then there are different types of the variable. First one local, second global, third static, fourth automatic, fifth external. We learn one by one. First is local variable. It is declared inside the function or block. When you declare any variable inside any function or block, that variable is called a local variable. It must be declared at the start of the block. Before it is used, you must have to initialize the local variable. Example, here we take an example of a function as void function 1. In that function, we declare x variable as int x equal to 10. Then x is declared in a function 1. So it is considered as or work as like local variable. Means what? The scope of the local variable within that block in which it is declared. Then next type of variable is a global, which is declared outside the function or block. Means what? When you declare a variable outside the function or block, that variable is called a global variable. Any function can change the value of the global variable. It is available to all the functions because of it is a global, and it must be declared at the start of the block. Here is we take example int of value equal to 20. This variable is a global because we declare outside the function or block. Then we take a function 1. In function 1, x is declared as a local variable. Means x is declared inside the function 1, so it is a local to the function 1. Outside the function 1, x cannot be accessible. But value is a variable that access anywhere in your program. This is the difference between global variable and local variable. Then next type is static variable. When you declared a variable using static keyword, then that variable is called a static variable. It retains its value between multiple function calls. Here we take example void function 1 int x equal to 10. This is the local variable. Second variable static int y equal to 10. This is the static variable because y is declared with the static keyword, so y is a static variable. Then next we increase the value of x by 1 as x equal to x plus 1. We increase the value of y equal to y plus 1. Again, I print the value of x and y as printf %d x comma y. When this code is executed, you will get output as 11 11 11. This value for the x, but the value of static variable will be displayed as 11 12 13. Means what? This function calls many times, then output will be different. Then next type of variable is arithmetic type. All variables in a C that are declared inside the block are arithmetic variable by default. Means what? When you declare a variable without any keyword, then that variable works as a arithmetic variable. We can explicitly declare an arithmetic variable using auto keyword. When you want to declare arithmetic variable explicitly, that time you can use the auto keyword to declare that variable. For example, in void main int x equal to 10. This is the local variable, also arithmetic, by default arithmetic. Second variable auto int y. This is also arithmetic variable. Then next type is external variable. We can share a variable in a multiple C source files by using a external variable. When you want to share a variable into multiple C source files, that time that variable is declared as an external variable. To declare an external variable, you need to use external keyword. For example, external int x equal to 10. This variable works as external variable. Then program1.c. In that program, we print or display the value of the global variable as printf global variable %d global variable. Means here global variable value of the global variable is displayed. These are the 5 types of the variables we learned now. Thanks all of you. बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ जर आवडत असेल तर नक्कीच लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. जेवढे जास्त लिंक शेअर करताल, जेवढे जास्त सबस्क्रायबर होतील, तेवढ्या बाकीच्याही प्रोग्रॅमिंग लँग्वेजच्या पण व्हिडिओज सिरीज लवकरच सुरू करणार आहोत. थांबूया.